There are approximately 1 billion YouTube videos viewed every single day. The hardest job of any creator is trying to stand out in that crowd. One of the most effective ways to draw people in is by simply improving your intros and outros. Pictory's AI function can help you create your own. A YouTube intro needs to grab viewers' attention within the first few seconds. An outro will determine whether or not the viewers return for more. A big YouTube channel like GQ will subtly change its intros to mark a different series. To keep your audience watching, you can also include links to other videos in the outro. Video suggestions aren't the only thing to add to an outro though. If you want to add product links, an outro is where to include it. When it comes to outros and intros, video metrics will tell you most of what you need to know. Another tip is knowing what your video message is and communicating it in the intro. This video is communicating its message through the use of graphics and text. Speaking of graphics, branding is also important when creating intros and outros. Consider adding text animations and extra graphics, instead of just a stationary logo. Pictory can easily be turned into an intro and outro maker, making edits easier than ever. On the Pictory video editor, there is a tab completely dedicated to branding. All you have to do is add your logo, visuals, and text and we'll turn it into the perfect intro and outro. We also have customizable templates that you can add your personal branding to. Not only that, but you can even adjust the aspect ratio so your video can be posted on any platform. Making exciting, branded intros and outros in Pictory can be done with just a few clicks. Sign up here for a free trial to try making an intro and outro for your next YouTube video.